Have you ever wondered where you truly stand on the wealth spectrum? What if I told you there's a hidden ladder of wealth that determines your financial future? Stick with us for the next 9 minutes, and we'll uncover the secrets of every level of wealth, from barely making ends meet to living in unimaginable luxury. Curious to see where you fit in? Like and subscribe to Budget Decodeur for more financial insights. Welcome to Budget Decodeur. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on financial freedom. Let's begin with the first level, survival mode. This is where many people find themselves, living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about bills, and unable to save for the future. It's a tough place to be, and many are stuck here due to high living costs, low wages, or unexpected expenses. But there's hope. You can climb out of this. Next, we have the stability level. Here, people can cover their basic needs and have a small cushion for emergencies, but they're not quite financially secure. Building a budget and sticking to it can help you move from survival to stability. It's all about managing your money wisely. Then comes the comfort level. This is where things start to get exciting. People here have paid off high-interest debts, have a healthy emergency fund, and can afford some luxuries. Financial comfort allows you to enjoy life more, knowing that you're not just surviving but thriving. Moving up, we reach the security level. At this stage, individuals have significant savings, investments, and little to no debt. Their future looks bright and secure. Achieving financial security means peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Then there's the luxury level. Here, wealth is abundant, and individuals can afford high-end lifestyles, luxury vacations, and expensive hobbies without financial worry. But remember, reaching this level often requires years of hard work, smart investments, and financial discipline. Finally, we have the generational wealth level. This is where wealth is so vast that it can be passed down through generations, ensuring financial security for your children and grandchildren. Building generational wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about creating a legacy, a lasting impact that benefits future generations. That we've explored every level of wealth. It's time to reflect on your financial journey. Which level are you at, and where do you aspire to be? If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Budget Decodeur. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more financial tips and strategies to help you climb the ladder of wealth.